Welcome guys to another BrainFlex video. In this one we're going to answer a question on calculus, and this question appeared in 2023 paper 1 addma. The question reads, given that expression is equal to 10.5, then we are told to find the value of a in that expression. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that each time you are told to integrate, you need to put this rule in your mind. In a case you've been given x to the power n dx, and you're told to evaluate this, what you need to do is that you need to maintain your constant. So a will be the same, then x will be to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that's how we integrate any kind of simple expression under calculus. Yeah, so we're going to be using this one on each part. So on that part, we're going to apply it on that part, and we're going to apply it on that part. You can do it separately, or if you are good at calculus, you can just do it at once. Okay, let's handle the question. Integration of that one minus, so we have the limits 2 and minus 1, ax squared plus x dx is equals to 10.5 is equals to 10.5. And we are told to find the value of what? A. That's our focus. Okay, what you need to do is that we need to add a plus 1 to 2. So we're going to say a x 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. We put a plus there. We jump to the second term, which is x. So we're going to say x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Now, don't forget to include the what? The limits. So to include the limits this time, we are going to say, put the brackets, then your upper limit will be there, and your lower limit will be there. Please don't forget the negative one, right? Which will be equal to 10.5. Okay, from there now we just need now to simplify this one. We are going to say ax to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x squared divided by 2. Put your limits is equals to, okay, let's make this one an improper fraction. So to make it an improper fraction, it will be 10 times 2 plus 1. 10 times 2, that will be a 20, plus 1, that will be a 21, divided by 2. Okay, 21 divided by 2, that will be your value. Then from there, we need now to put our limit back into this expression. Where there is x, you put a 2. So where there is x, we're going to put a 2, divided by 3, of course, plus there I'm going to put a 2 divided by 2. Now we have two limits. We have the upper limit and we have the lower limit. So we are going to do the same to the lower limit. That, don't forget to put a minus. So we are going to say minus the evaluation of the lower limit. So it will be a open negative 1 to the power 3 divided by 3 plus negative 1 squared divided by 2. You can close it, and that must be equal to 21 divided by 2. Okay, your next step must be simplifying this expression on our left hand side. So we know that 2 to the power 3, that's the 8. So we can say 8 over 3 a plus 2 squared, that's a 4, divided by 2, we are going to get a 2. minus, you open, negative 1 to the power 3. Now check this, negative 1 to the power 3, that will be equal to negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. And we know that negative times negative, that's a positive, times negative, that will be a what? A negative 1. So don't forget that one, right? So we're going to put a negative 1 there, divided by 3. Don't forget to include a plus. Now this time we have negative 1 squared. Let's put brackets that side. Negative 1 squared is equals to positive 1. We know that negative 1 times negative 1, that's a positive. So we're going to get a positive 1. So it will be 1 divided by 2. Or in other words, we can say half is equals to 21 over 2. Okay, let's create some space. From there now, we just need now to subtract. We can say 8 over 3 a minus times minus, that will be plus 1 over 3a plus 2 minus half is equals to 21 over 2. From there now, we just need now to work out the like terms. So this one and that one, we know that since the bases are the same, we can directly add the numerators. So 8 plus 1, that is a 9 divided by 3 a. Then this side, we know that we have a 2 over that one is the same as 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, and that will be a 3 over 2. So it will be plus 3 over 2. Let's lab these stuffs, okay, which will be equal to 21 over 2. Okay, let's create some space this side. 21 over 2. Let's create some space. We delete, including that. And from there now, we just need now to say we have a 9 over 3. We have a 9 over 3a. That one, we are going to say 3 over 2 will jump to this other side. So we're going to get a 21 over 2 minus 3 over 2. This side, it will be 9 over 3. Oh, 9 over 3, we can evaluate it. 9 over 3 is equals to 3. So it's 3a is equals to. This side, since the bases are the same, we can just say 21 minus 3. And once you subtract 3 from 21, you will remain with 18. So 18 over 2. From there now, we know that 18 is divisible by 2. We are going to get 9. Divided by 3, we are going to get a is equals to 3. And that is your answer. So, if you get a different answer other than a is equals to 3, please double check your work. Okay, to prove it, let me show you now how to prove it. You can simply prove this one by plugging 3 back in this expression, then evaluate it now. And if you are unable to get a 10.5, just know that you made a mistake. So that's how you prove it. You say the integral of 2 minus 1, open, where there's a, put a 3, x to the power 2 plus x, closed, brackets, dx is equals to 10.5. So this part must give you 10.5. Failure to which, just know that you made a mistake. Okay guys, that's it and have a good day.